Hello, ServiceWorks video tutorial. My name is Will Freeman, and today we'll be talking about our recurring jobs feature. So a recurring job is when you, for example, let's say you run a cleaning business and you know you'll be visiting the same place on every Monday and Friday of the week, or every other Monday and Friday of the week, or one Tuesday once a month, but the first Tuesday of every month. You can set it up so that those jobs, you're creating a parent job, and then you're creating little children jobs of those future visits. So to do that, you have to first create a job. So I've got my customer information in, I've got a description. Let's put in a service item. Put in a price. We'll say that it's today. And we'll press Save Job. So once you save your job, a button gets added down here in this Schedule Information section. And that button says Recurrence. So this wasn't here before, but once you save your job, it's there. So when you click Recurrence, it brings up a bunch of options. So you can say we want to repeat it on Tuesdays, repeat once a week, let's say once a month, monthly on the first Tuesday. And we can say that it ends. We can just go to the end of the year and say December 31st. And then we press done. We save the job. And now when we go to our schedule board, we should see that job on the first Tuesday of every month. So here's the first one. Here's the second one on April 7th. Then we've got another one on May 5th. And we'll just check June. And here's the other one on June 2nd. So until the end of the year, every first Tuesday of the month is set up with a cleaning job for that client. So you can set that up to be many different things. 2 days in a week, 3 days in a week, every other week, every other month. There are a lot of different possibilities with recurring jobs. So I hope this helps, and thank you for listening.